Good morning, my dear class. Well, today I'm sending this beautiful message just to let you know that today we're going to be working with a short vowel E. But before that, what about if we sing today the days of the week? Let's remember our song. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, if yesterday was Wednesday, so today is going to be what? Oh, that's right. Today is Thursday. Thursday, March 19. Today we're going to be working, guys, with the short vowel E. So you're going to see a picture of the letter E, and today you're going to be practicing doing the capital E and lowercase e. Okay, some of the words that we have learned with this sound at the beginning is X, right there, up, elf, exit, and the number 11. Okay, kids, I hope you're doing great. And I just wish you the best of the best. Okay, I miss you. Kisses. Bye bye.